picture? Fuck that. I wasn't expecting that.
You gotta keep in mind that your rear's locked. It's gonna keep going.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Something different.
You can feel it now.
Oh yeah, fuck yeah, dude. Oh!
You're gonna do a wheelie here too.
Shit. Which way should I go? Did I break anything yet?
No.
Okay.
Look towards me.
Woo! Damn. Something different.
Hey, next time you get a tire in there like that, stop. Everybody was going to run them with cameras. But you were open before they could get there. You could have had a new signature on.
I know. Man, oh man.
Take your driver's tire over those two rocks right there.
Wait, go straight or?
Just go straight. And then after you get your back wheel into that, then you start turning right and go up.
Okay. Man, that rear lock is something different.
Oh yeah, little bit. I'm left a little. Hold on. Fix her. Hey, Scott.
Woo!
Yeah, you gotta get over to your left one.
Right there?
Right.
No, wrong way.
Yeah, back up. Look up on that ridge.
Should I go right or left?
Right.
Okay.
Now,
Go straight?
go this way, go this way, go this way. Nice. You can this way more.
More?
Oh, you're alright. Actually, just go ahead and go straight on up those rocks where he's standing.
Oh man, having that rear lock is something different. No, I'm not going that far. I'm gonna kill myself.